What's up everybody, I'm Ethan and you're watching Tennessee Mountain Homestead. Today I'll be showcasing my entry into the 2026 all-terrain lawn tractor form build-off. This is my 2010 Craftsman Excelerator GT,
which he's going to call the Deer Hunter.
So like I said, this is a Craftsman Excelerator GT from 2010. It came stock with this Kohler 26 horsepower V-twin, 725cc. And in the rear, this is a hydro. I believe it's a Hydro Gear G730 transmission. It has 1-inch spindles with these 5-volt hubs. The axles are keyed, so I can use these hubs and these rims still for when it's been modified. This tractor also came stock with a cast iron axle on 3/4 inch spindles. And as you can see, well maybe you can see, something at some point pushed back on this deck, which is attached to the back of the axle, and pulled the whole thing backwards. That's why it's kind of sitting funny like that. Now, let's talk about some mods. Since this is going to be my big horsepower mud mower, this engine is going to need some upgrades. So, I'll be installing a slide carburetor, roller rockers, springs, push rods, connecting rods, a camshaft, billet flywheel, ported and shaped heads, and possibly pistons. I'll also be swapping this tractor into a manual with this 6-speed Peerless 820. And of course, we'll be locking it up. And to get that power from the engine to the transmission, I'll need a custom clutch setup with an 8-inch pulley on the engine and a 5-inch on the transmission. As for tires, I'll be having some 21 7/8 or maybe 21 7/10 on the front. And for the rear, I want to have some 26 11/12 radial reptiles. Unlike my past build, this tractor will have all kinds of comforts, like an alternator, front and rear bumpers, a winch, and the best part, a cup holder. Well guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. You'll be able to follow this build by subscribing to this YouTube channel and by joining the all-terrain lawn tractor forum, ATLTF.com.
Do it! Do it!
As always, I'm Ethan. You're watching Tennessee Mountain Homestead, and we'll see you on the next one.